Top 5 AI tools that are better than ChatGPT. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about and discuss the top 5 tools that are better than ChatGPT or similar to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that can help answer a wide range of questions and provide helpful response to users. However, it is not the only AI tool available in the market. With the rapid advancement of AI technology, there are many other AI tools that can assist you in various tasks, such as language translation, content generation, and even image recognition. These tools can help you save time, increase productivity, and improve the overall quality of your work. So, without further ado, let's explore the top 5 AI tools that are better than ChatGPT, so you can use them for your own personal and business use. Now, the first AI that we're going to talk about is called Agent GPT. Agent GPT basically allows you to create an agent or a bot that would do a specific task that you assign it to, and you would be able to see the progress and what it would do. For example, like steps and thought process of the agent, so that you would be able to see how it progress. For example, right now we are currently in Agent GPT.reworld with a K.ai. This is where you're going to have to go to access this AI. Now over here, as you can see, we could name this. We're going to name this AI, for example, Smart GPT. And you're going to have to give this AI a goal. For example, you're going to give this AI a goal to learn how to code in Python, just like that. And then you're going to click on Deploy Agent. And as you can see, it's embarking on a new goal, which is learn how to code in Python. It's thinking and it's adding tasks over here on the right side, which Agent GPT will accomplish and proceed with the specific task. As you can see here, the first task is to research the basic syntax and data types in Python. As you can see, it just finished learning it and it has this data over here. And as you can see, to begin with, let me give you a brief introduction to this and all of this information over here. And as you can see, it's doing more tasks that we are seeing right now. There's also within a loop, multiply and factorial variable by a current number, and all of those information. It's going to try and learn how to code in Python because that is the goal that we have provided this agent to. You could give this agent different tasks or different type of things that you would like it to do, and you would be able to either export it over here, copy, or download it to PDF. As you can see here, it's adding more things to do, and it has already accomplished 2 tasks right now. And it will continue doing this until it achieves the goal that you have provided Agent GPT and provide you a timeline of how it did it and what it did. It's going to say this in the end, we're sorry because this is a demo. They cannot have their agent running for too long. So if you desire for longer runs, please provide your own API key in the settings. And this is the limitation of Agent GPT because this is currently in beta. But as you can see, it has a lot of potential and it has a lot of things that it could possibly do. As you can see here on the right side, it has already accomplished 4 tasks that normally people would take a long time to accomplish. Now moving on our second AI, we're going to talk about Aura.sh AI over here. This is like similar to ChatGPT wherein you're going to enter a prompt. As you can see here, create a custom ChatGPT. We're going to ask and create a bot right now. For example, we're going to have a bot that creates Java codes, just like that. And we're going to click on create bot and it's going to generate the specific bot for us. And as you can see, it is using ChatGPT also. It is advertised that Aura is using ChatGPT 4, but some people say that they use ChatGPT 3 instead. So we're going to test this out. We're going to create a code in Java that counts time from 10 to 0, just like that. And it's going to do the same thing, almost similar to ChatGPT. And this could be an alternative for your ChatGPT if you are bored with ChatGPT. As you can see here, it already created a code for us very easily and very quickly. And like advertised, it's going to use ChatGPT 4, which would allow you to access ChatGPT 4 without having to pay for it. Now we're going to move on with a different AI. This second AI is called Cody. As you can see here, we have our bots over here right now. We're going to go back to our chats. Cody is an AI that is able to learn from the different information that you are going to provide him. For example, you have a business. You're going to give him information about your business, for example, their rules, and you're going to upload them in your content section over here. And then Cody, its AI, would be able to learn from the content that you have given it, and you would be able to ask questions about your business, about the things that you have. For example, I uploaded a file of my rules and regulations in the company, and I'm going to ask, what rules do we have? And I'm going to ask, are we allowed to drink alcohol in work? Just like that. And then it will search through the content that you have given it, and it will provide you an answer depending on the content that you have provided. And if ever you do have that content, it's going to provide a proper answer. As you can see right now, it cannot provide a reliable response because there is no available in their knowledge base, which is the content over here. This is very good for reminding yourself of different rules or different informations that you forgot, and Cody will be the one that would search for those information based on its database, and you would be able to know them using Cody and save time looking for those specific rules or information. Now we're going to move on to our fourth AI, which is called Jasper. Jasper AI is an artificial intelligence that makes it easy and fast to create content for your blog, social media, website, and more. Basically, Jasper is an AI that produces information, content that you could use as a basis for your writing, or make it write an entire article or blog for yourself. You could try Jasper for free by going to jasper.ai and free trial over here, and you could claim 10,000 words for free, and you would need to enter your first name, last name, and email. And Jasper, as you can see, is an artificial intelligence trained to write original and creative content, so you don't have to worry about having repeated generic answers like ChatGPT, wherein it always produces very similar content that you would almost be able to recognize that it is created by AI. Now, we're going to move to our last and fifth AI, which is literally anything.io. That is literally the name of this AI, because you could ask it literally anything and it would be able to create this depending on what you ask. As you can see here, we have a sample over here. Create a digital time tracking tool that can hit start, stop, and pause that I can assign to task and provide logs of entry. Generate a list of name for rock band and consist of vegetable, and you could also create a crossword puzzle. These are samples of what you could ask literally anything to produce. For example, we're going to go and create a crossword puzzle, and we're going to click on build, and it will build that specific request that you have chosen and give it to you. We're going to wait for it to finish building our thing, and we're going to check it out. And as you can see, it has created a visual for us, which is a crossword puzzle, and it is very simple. It's not very complicated. You could have different versions. You could edit the code over here. As you can see, it produced a code over here that you could use for your website or anything you would like to do. And you could hide code, and it's not too complicated. It's not very good yet, but depending on your prompt, it would be able to produce amazing results. So keep trying, and you would be able to create and have results that you could use for your website or for anything that you would like to see. We could check out our gallery over here, which would allow us to see different outputs that it has produced before. As you can see here, we have a simple increment game. We click upgrade and counter features over here. And you would be able to use this as like a basis or like a starting thing. So you would have a boost on what you are going to work on. And that's it, guys. That's it for now. That's the top 5 AI tools that are potentially better than ChatGPT because it has more features and it has more flexibility. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.